Well, you've been waiting on it, so here it is.
Alright, let's see what's in here. So satisfying. Got all this for $175. And yes, there's 2 rotors in each box. It fucked me up for a second. I already thought there was only 1 rotor. I was like, oh shit, I'm missing rotors. But no, there's 2 in each box. Brake pads, and then it also comes with brake spray, brake clean, and comes with brake fluid.
I think I need brakes. Like, this thing is fucked. Huh, man? Mechanic special right here. So, I'm doing my brakes on good old Abe here. And, you know, if you don't know, it's a 2014 Ford Escape. I'm looking at it, I'm like, damn, I really needed these fucking brakes done. The rotors are just fucked. Then I was like looking a little bit closer. You got something missing here. Where's the clip that's supposed to go here? Fucking people, dude.
So, I'm test driving the brakes. These things are stopping pretty darn smooth. I don't have to shake in the steering wheel anymore. So, I'm gonna have to say, these are pretty damn good brakes. Brake pedal feels great, and all my problems are gone. So, for the brake pads. Now it's time to order the suspension parts. So that'll be another video. But until next time, see you guys.